You learned going to and want to in your very first English lessons. But natives almost never say them that way. They say gonna and wanna. If that gap has confused you for years, here's why it exists, and why it's not a shortcut you need to avoid. Textbooks teach the full formal version because it's grammatically correct and easy to explain. But in real, natural speech, these phrases get compressed automatically. Not because natives are being lazy, but because compressing common phrases is simply faster and more efficient to say. Gonna and wanna aren't slang. They're the normal, default pronunciation in casual speech. This is the before state. Knowing the textbook version perfectly, but treating the natural spoken version as something separate, unfamiliar, even wrong. That mismatch is exactly why gonna can trip up even advanced learners. Nobody told you it was the expected version, not an exception. Here's how to close that gap for good. Step 1. Treat gonna and wanna as the default, not the exception. In casual conversation, these compressed forms are what you should expect to hear most of the time. Reverse the assumption and the confusion mostly disappears. Step 2. Practice saying the compressed forms yourself, out loud. Say, I'm gonna go, and I want to eat, naturally, the same way you'd hear a native say them. Producing the sound yourself trains your ear to recognize it instantly in others. Step 3. Know when to use which version. Going to and want to still belong in formal writing or careful speech. But in relaxed conversation, using gonna and wanna yourself will actually make you sound more natural, not less correct. This is the after. Going to and gonna no longer feel like two different things. Just two versions of the same phrase. One for writing, one for real conversation. Try this today. Say, I'm gonna and I wanna out loud instead of the full formal version, and notice how much more natural it feels. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.